Hello students, how are you all? Today we will learn about the basic pre-writing strokes and curves in English writing because it is very important for you. We use different strokes and curves to make all the letters in English cursive writing. So firstly, you need to know about the 4 lines of English notebook. As we all know, there are 4 lines in English notebook. First is red, 2 are blue, and last one is also a red line. So what we call these lines, हम इन लाइंस को क्या बोलते हैं आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी. ये जो रेड लाइन होती है हमारी फर्स्ट वाली, इसको हम बोलते हैं कैपिटल लाइन. वी कॉल इट कैपिटल line. Next is second line, we call it waistline. Waist line. Third one is again blue line, we call it baseline. And last one is fourth line is long line. Do you know students कि हम इस लाइन को कैपिटल लाइन क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि इंग्लिश में हमारे कुछ लेटर्स ऐसे हैं जो कि कैपिटल लाइन को हमेशा टच करते हैं, लाइक दिस ए बी. और सेकेंड लाइन को हम वेस्ट लाइन क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि कुछ लेटर्स ऐसे होते हैं जो कि हमारी वेस्ट लाइन को टच करते हैं, जैसे कि पी. वेस्ट क्या होता है? कमर. ये यहाँ पर इसकी कमर ये हो गई, सेकेंड लाइन इसको टच कर रहे हैं. इसी तरह से बी को भी ले सकते हैं आप. बी इसको टच किया, ये इसकी वेस्ट लाइन हो गई. नेक्स्ट इज बेस लाइन. इसको बेस लाइन हम क्यों बोलते हैं? बेसिकली क्योंकि हम चाहे जो भी लेटर्स बनाए वो हमारी बेस लाइन को टच करते हैं. हमेशा सभी लेटर्स के जो बेस होते हैं वो हमेशा बेस लाइन होती है, चाहे वो ए हो, बी हो, सी हो, एनीथिंग, कोई भी लेटर हो. उसके बाद है हमारी लास्ट लाइन लॉन्ग लाइन. इसे हम लॉन्ग लाइन क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि कुछ लेटर्स ऐसे होते हैं जो कि लॉन्ग लाइन को टच करते हैं, लाइक एफ. देखिए एफ जब हम बनाते हैं तो टच करते हैं हम लॉन्ग लाइन से. इसी तरह से जी, ये भी लॉन्ग लाइन को टच करता है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द राइट स्लांट लाइन. तो इसको हम कैसे बनाते हैं देखेंगे. फर्स्टली टच द बेस लाइन, दिस इज द बेस लाइन, एंड टच द कैपिटल लाइन. Start from this. This is the right slant. Next is left slant. Start from the base line and touch the capital line. This is the left slant line. Next is short loop right curve. So start from the base line like that, make a short loop and touch it the base line again same process, same. like this. From this loop you can make the letter like E. Next is small upward curve, like start from the baseline, touch the baseline, come down, नीचे आएंगे, again touch the baseline, come down like this. So this is the small upward curve. From this loop you can make like letters I, S, R like this, and U. Now next curve is small downward curve. So start from the baseline, touch to the waistline, come down, again come down, slight curve, come down, slight curve, come down, slight curve, come down. Repeat this process like that. This is the small downward curve. From this curve you can make letters like M, N. Next is right waved curved. Start from the baseline, slight curve, touch to the waistline, again curve like this. This is the right waved curve. From this curve you can make letter like C. Next is left wave curve. So start from the waistline, this is the waistline, touch the baseline. Like that. Next is small circle. So start from the baseline, touch the waistline, come down, slight slope, close it, again repeat the process, same process, like this, like this. This is the small circle. From this you can make the letters like A, O, D. Next is zigzag lines. So start from the baseline, touch the capital line, again come down and touch the baseline, again capital line, baseline, like this. What we call it? This is the zigzag lines. Basically we use these lines to make capital letters like A. Next is big circles, like that. These are the patterns, like that. This is the big circles. Next is long waved stroke. So start from this base line, touch the capital line, make a small loop and come down and touch the base line again. Same process, like that, like that. Yes. What we call it? This is the long waved stroke. From this stroke we can make letters like L, T, B, and last is down waved long stroke, like this. इसमें आप जो लूप बनाएंगे that is start from downwards, like this. From these patterns you can make different letters of English writing. So students, keep practicing these patterns in your notebook to improve your handwriting. Thank you so much.